Okay, our next bracelet is from our brother paracorder Dwek from Dwek Contour. It's a 6-strand core. You could do it all solid. He improvised and sent me a picture with basically these chords added in the picture, but did not explain it to me, so I'm going to be improvising. What I did was I created a 4-strand core, and then I added the accent chord, which would be my 5th and 6th strand. So for this bracelet, we're going to skip chord spacing, and I'm just going to go A and E, and that's how the knot follows the whole way. So let's begin. All right, I don't know the chordage that I'm using, so basically I just grabbed 18 feet, but when I publish the video, I will let you know how many feet it actually took me to do a 7-inch bracelet. Okay, so let's begin. We're gonna grab our left chord. We're gonna over and down through A. Okay, and we're gonna take it under the core to the right. Now we're gonna go over the right chord. Okay. Now we're going to grab our right chord. We're going to go under and out through E. And we're going to go over the core and down through A in between the strands through this loop. It's almost like a shark jawbone. Okay, so let's tighten up. All right, that's our first knot. The way to know which chord you're going to start with, it's basically not the one with the notch, but you're going to see like there's going to be a space in the following few knots. You're going to see there's going to be like a space, and this one's going to be further back. That's the one you're going to start with. So we're going to go over, down through E, all the way through, and over the chord on the left. We're going to grab our chord on the left. We're going to come under and out through A. We're going to go over the core. And remember, we're going to go in between the loop, down through E. So it's going to look like that. And when I tighten it up, I'll show you. Okay, our knot is going to look like this. So let's tighten up. And the way Dwek has it is that he fairly pushes it up pretty tight. All right, and this is the space I'm telling you. We have this notch here. We have this open space here, and that's the one you're going to start with. So we're going to go with our left chord, down through A, under the core, over the chord on the right. We're going to grab our right chord. We're going to go out through E, and we're going to go down through A in the loop we're forming here. Okay, let's keep going. Here's our space that I was talking about. Let's grab our our right chord. Let's go over and down through E, and under and across to the other side. And then we're going to go over the left chord. We're going to grab our left chord. We're going to go under and out through A, and then we're going to go over and down through E. This bracelet, I'm actually going to take you a little further down. I'm not just going to do 3 knots. We're going to do a couple more. Once again, here's the space I was talking about. This notch is over here, so we're going to start with the one on the left. Get that tight. All right. Our left cord, we're going to go down through A, under the core, out to the other side, and then over the right cord. Okay, we're going to grab our right cord. We're going to go under the core, out through E, over the core, down through A, between our loop. Okay. We have our left cord. Going to go over the core, down through E, and under the core and to the left. And once again, we're going to go over the left cord. We're going to grab our left cord. We're going to go under the core, out through A, over the core, down through E, between our loop. I'm basically pushing up and then I'm tightening at the end. All right, let's do two more. We're gonna grab our left cord. We're gonna go over the core, down through A, and under the core and to the right, and then over the right cord. We're going to grab our right cord, we're going to go under the core, out through E, over the core, down through A, between our loop. Okay, let's, one more. Space, remember. One more. Remember the space over here. That's the one we're going to start with. We're going to go over the core, down through E, and to the left. We're going to place the cord over the left cord. We're going to grab our left cord. We're going to go under the core, out through A, over the core, down through E, between our loop. Okay, continue your knots till the end of the bracelet, and I guess I'll show you mine when I'm finished. All right, so here's our finished bracelet. Basically, I just got it as close as I could to the end, and then I just looped it into the hole. So it came out pretty good. I'm gonna cut it here, singe it, and then I'm gonna use the red diamond as my belt. All right, till the next bracelet.